So before this video gets started, if you're interested in becoming an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, go ahead and use the link in the description below. You'll enter in your information and you can get signed up very quickly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. So today's video is, what do you do when you get a passenger who's under 18? Can you accept a passenger who is under 18 while driving for Uber and Lyft? And the answer may surprise you. So technically, legally speaking, in a taxi, taxi drivers are able to accept underage passengers. You know, they have commercial insurance and they have commercial licenses, and it just operates on a totally different way than Uber and Lyft. However, in Uber and Lyft, you are not allowed to accept underage unaccompanied passengers. So if no one in the car is under 18, you cannot accept them. If somebody's over 18 and there are under 18 passengers, that's okay. You can go right along and accept them. However, I know what some of you guys are thinking, and I know a lot of you guys out there, some drivers, which maybe it's not you specifically, but I've heard them say that they accept passengers under 18 and they're just kind of hush-hush about it. And obviously, we're all trying to make some money out here, so maybe it's a good ride, maybe they're trying to hit their driver bonus for the week, maybe they just want the extra $5 and they say, oh, no one will hear about it. However, if anyone finds out, you will get deactivated. This is a zero tolerance thing that Uber and Lyft says, is that if you ever take an unaccompanied passenger, you will get deactivated. So this is very common. This is like a very common thing. I don't know why, but I think because a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers are accepting underage unaccompanied passengers, that people just don't know. Even Liz, who's been on my channel a lot, she didn't even know that that was a thing until I told her when when I invited her onto the channel. She used to take rides all the time when she was 16 by herself. And so I think that it's just been kind of a custom thing that people they accept Uber and Lyft as a platform for transporting their children, taking them to soccer practice, taking them to school. I've taken people to school, I've gotten ride requests from people to go to school and then also to pick up kids. I've even gotten a ride request to go to an elementary school to pick up, I don't know, or maybe it was a middle school. The kid was like 8 years old or something. And that was crazy. And I told the guy, obviously, that, well, maybe not obviously, because a lot of drivers are doing this, but I told him, hey, you know what? I can't take you. And another thing is, guys, these trips are not tracked through the app, right? Because kids can't order Uber or Lyft for themselves. So what they do is that they'll have their parent call them an Uber, and then they just get in. So you don't even know if this is the correct person you're picking up. So this is a 100% no in my book. In Uber and Lyft's book, if you want to follow the rules, which I hope you are, don't accept underage passengers if they're unaccompanied at any time ever. No exceptions. If you do, you will get deactivated, and it's not worth it. If you get into an accident, there's tons of issues because Uber and Lyft will not cover that trip or that accident. They won't pay for any damage, and you're stuck on your own trying to cover the costs because you were operating outside of the terms of service, and basically that accident is not covered by their insurance. So if you want to go out and get your own commercial license, start up your own transportation company, and you allow underage passengers, you can, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. And if you're driving for Uber and Lyft, just save yourself the hassle and don't accept underage passengers. If you do get a ride request, make them cancel so you can get that $5 cancellation fee. I actually don't mind when I get a request from an underage passenger, because then I can show up and be like, hey, I cannot take you. You need to cancel this, and then I still get my $5 cancellation fee. So usually I don't really care, and one time I actually canceled, and then like 10 seconds, or no, I showed up and I had them cancel, and then 10 seconds later, that kid's mom ordered and I met with me again, and I got another cancellation fee. So that was like $10 literally for just showing up. So that was great. But anyways, guys, that's all I have to say in this video. The question of the day is, have you ever gotten a ride request from an underage passenger? Let me know. And anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for daily videos on Uber and Lyft. All right, y'all, I will see you all next time, and make sure to have a great day. Be safe out there, be smart, and make some money. All right, I'll see you all next time. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. All right, bye, guys.